Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Kalpataru Group upcoming new launch project with codename Luxury Call Shed located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. This is the main entry of the project. And right over here is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, launch discount offers, booking process and many more. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this is the actual sales office of the project. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 12.8 acres that will have total of 8 towers, currently launching 2 premium residential towers that will have ground plus 5 level of podium plus 43 residential floors and ground plus 5 level of podium plus 46 residential floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus large residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Call Shed Road near upcoming metro station, with upcoming metro station just at a distance of 2 minutes, CP Goenka School at a distance of 5 minutes, DMart at a distance of 1 minute, Viviana Mall at a distance of 7 minutes, Jupiter Hospital at a distance of 7 minutes from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. Talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with 1.5 lakh square feet of clubhouse, swimming pool, massive gym, kids play area, multi-purpose court, lotus pond with step seating, meditation zone, yoga deck and many more amenities within the project. Talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus large duplex penthouse residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 750 to 800 square feet, 3 BHK ranging between the carpet area of 950 to 1000 square feet and 3 BHK plus large ranging in the carpet area of 1075 to 1125 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the 3D model. We'll also share you the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 1 lakh for 2 BHK and 2 lakhs for 3 BHK. Also, this token will have multiple benefits like exclusive launch discount, token holders will be called first and given discount over and above others. They will have preference in inventory selection, which means the token holders will call first to choose their preference flat, and 100% refundable, which means the token will be 100% refundable. If the client doesn't want to go ahead for any reason, they will be refunded the 100% token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of Kalpataru Group upcoming new launch project with codename Luxury Call Shed located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.